A Disabled People Product Guide. Chapter 1. Disabled Disability Products for Sale. Equipment for Disabled People Resources. AARP.org. 800-424-3410. Booklet The Do Able Renewable Home. Able Data, Database of Assistive Technology Information. 8455 Colesville Road. Number 935. Silver Spring, Maryland 20910-3319. 800-227-0216. AbleData.com. Alliance for Technology Access. 2175 East Francisco Boulevard. Number L. San Rafael, California 94936. 415-455-4575. @inaccess.org. @access.org. National Library Service. For the Blind and Physically Handicapped. Library of Congress. Washington, D.C. 20542. 202-707-5100. 800-424-8567. lcweb.loc.gov/nls. Free rental of books and tapes, postage free to blind, near blind, and other people who can't hold books physically. Recording for the blind and dyslexic. 20 Roselle Road. Princeton, New Jersey 08540. 609-452-0606. 800-221-4792. rfbd.org. Pay a registration fee to join this non-profit organization to get large print books and tapes. Specialneeds.com. 800-333-6867. Books about disabilities. Disabled Disability Products for Sale 1. Consumer Care Products, Inc. 1446 Pilgrim Road. Plymouth, Wisconsin 53073. 920-893-4614. Fax, 920-893-6195. ConsumerCaring.com. Flag House. Special Populations and Sensory Solutions. 601 Flag House Drive. Hasbrook Heights, New Jersey 07604-3116. 800-793-7900. Fax, 800-793-7922. Flaghouse.com. Innovative Products Mobility for Kids. 830 South 48th Street. Grand Forks, North Dakota 58201-9983. Call toll-free 800-950-5185. 701-772-5185. Fax, 701-772-5284. mobility4kids.com. Disabled Disability Products for Sale 2. MakingLifeEasier.com. AMED Healthcare. 800-289-5476. a-med.com. abilitations.com. 800-850-8603. Ultimate Medical. 800-342-8968. easystn.com. American Printing House for the Blind. 800-223-1839. aph.org. anchorradio.com. 800-262-4671. Voice Amplifier. Associated Handicapable Vans. 800-956-6668. RolexVans.com. ATTAINMENT-INC.com. 800-327-4269. Axiom. 800-82 Stand. PrimeNG.com. Barrier-free lifts. POB 4163. Manassas, Virginia 22110. 800-582-8732. BFL-INC.com. Ceiling lifts. Bell Atlantic Center 4. Customers with disabilities. 280 Lock Drive. 4th FL. Marlborough, Massachusetts 01752. 800-974-6006. Fax, 508-624-7645. BACCD@bellatlantic.com. bellatlantic.com. Bruce Medical Supply. 411 Waverly Oaks Road. Waltham, Massachusetts 02154. 800-225-8446. Fax, 781-894-9519. brucemedical.com. bruno.com. 800-882-8183. caringproducts.com. 800-333-5379. Clarion Bathware. 800-576-9228. cfmcorp.com. Clothing Resources. makinglifeeasier.com. cmworks.com. 800-888-0985. Mobility and Lift Systems. columbiamedical.com. 800-454-6612. Dr. Leonard's Healthcare. Catalog. 100 Nixon Lane, Edison, New Jersey 08818. 800-785-0880. 732-572-2118. drleonards.com. Disabled Disability Products for Sale 3. Electric Mobility. 1 Mobility Plaza. POB 156. Sewell, New Jersey 08080. 800 Mobility. electricmobility.com. Electric wheelchairs, etc. Fashion Ease. 1541 60th St. Brooklyn, New York 11219. 800-221-8929. 718-871-8188. Fax, 718-436-2067. fashionease.com. Wheelchair attachments, incontinence supplies. freedommotors.com. 888-625-6335. Entry systems for vans. Home care assistive products. 800-727-8483. mobileaid.com. IBM Special Needs. 800-426-4832. ibm.com. Equipment for people with disabilities. Independent living aids. 200 Robbins Lane, Jericho, New York 11753-2341. 800-537-2118. Fax, 516-937-3906. kin-do@independentliving.com. independentliving.com. Independent Mobility Systems. 800 IMS Vans. ims-vans.com. colorco.com. 800-220-2291. Bathroom. lighthouse.org. 800-453-4923. Lighthouse Catalog at lighthouse.org. Products for the visually impaired. lubday.com. 800-582-4338. luminaud.com. 800-255-3408. Disabled Disability Products for Sale 4. mediasa.com. info@mediasa.com. 800-633-6334. 866-223-5234. moleskyemball.com. 800-546-2255. Mobility Products. 800-488-7688. nelcorpb.com. Autobach Orthopedics. 800-984-8901. autobach.com. parksurgical.com. 800-633-7878. Prentke Romich Co. 800-262-1984. Peerentrom.com. Devices for people who can't talk. Rock'n'rollcycles.com. 800-654-9664. Salmonspreston.com. 800-547-4333. Sears Healthcare Catalog. 800-326-1750. Sears.com. smith-nephew.com/us/rehab. 800-558-8633. surehand.com. Lifts. Disabled disability products for sale 5. swiftmedical.com. 800-659-9207. thewright-stuff.com. 877-750-0376. Thorndike Press. 800-257-5157. sscp.com. Large print books. Vantage Minivans. 2441 East Chambers Road, Phoenix, Arizona 85040. 800-348 Vans. VantageMinivans.com. Minivan conversions for the handicapped. VideoiCorp.com. 800-909-7257. Machine for near blind people. Walk Easy. 800-441-2904. WalkASY.com. WHEELS4WALKING.com. 800-234-9255. Walkers. Xerox Imaging Systems. 800-343-0311. Xerox.com.